hello. I've not vlogged. I've not vlogged in ages. So I'm here in Lancaster, in the northwest of England today. I'm going to Philip White's workshop. That name should be ringing bells, but if it's not, if you don't know who Phil is, then I'll leave links below. Go and check out his website. He's got to be. No, he is. He definitely is one of the biggest wedding videographers in the world. And he's running a 2-day workshop here in Lancaster, which he does once or twice a year. And it's called The Beating Heart. And I think this is the last one, but I'll find out a bit more about that later today. It's a 2-day event, and there's probably going to be about 15 to 20 filmmakers here. It's exciting for me because when I started out 2 years ago, I came on this workshop as a beginner videographer. It kind of just shaped and molded the way I did things, the way I made my films, the way I ran my business. So it's really cool to kind of come full circle. Hopefully I'll be able to do a little bit behind the scenes and give you guys a bit of an insight and let you know my thoughts, and doing a bit of a vloggy thing for the next couple of days. So yeah, stay tuned.
I think pretty much we're all there. There's a couple of guys who told me they're going to be running late, so I'd rather show you this entire setup. A lifesaver shots. Okay, big bit. We'll go on the inside, like some shirt like that. I've just realised you weren't
So that was day one, and just to give this a bit of context, as I said, I have been on this workshop a couple of years ago, and I wanted to do this vloggy thing and go behind the scenes just to give you guys a flavour of it, and big up Phil a little bit because it is highly recommended, it's brilliant. But obviously the nature of the workshop was just sat for a couple of days listening to him talk and discussions, interacting and discussions, and it's not a technical workshop at all.
To be a clip art camera, which is not good. It's crazy. I speak to photographers pretty much at every single wedding. 240. Oh yes. Oh yes. We still got sound.
There's no live shoots or practical elements as such. It's more just listen, discuss, take notes, etc. Which I personally prefer. It did mean that there wasn't much to video because I didn't want to. Intensive learning. There wasn't much for me to video. I didn't want to give away chunks of the workshop. That would be wrong with me, obviously. So it was difficult, really, to give you guys a story of what this is about. Day two was slightly different. Phil did a live real-time edit walkthrough, as in he actually sat there and edited like 3 minutes of a film in about 20 minutes, which in itself, that's worth seeing. I know that it is a brilliant way of editing and it does work, and I can guarantee that method, his method, would make you faster. And then later on, a load of other videographers came down for the after party. People that have been on the workshop before, other videographers, friends, past and present. There was a DJ and there was a Super Nintendo and there was beers, and that was cool. Great opportunity to do the whole networking thing, which is another great side to these workshops. So that was cool. But anyway, the moral of the story is that I'm terrible at vlogging properly, and you should definitely check out Phil White's. The workshop's ended for now. He's not doing that anymore, as far as I know. For a while, doing an online workshop now instead that he's calling his masterclass, which I'm sure will be just that. It will be a masterclass, no doubt. So definitely check him out if you haven't already. I shall link him below. Yes to workshops, yes to Phil, and I'm sorry I couldn't show you more, but I hope it was worth watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.